Bitcoin is probably the best known digital currency in the world. A digital currency is available exclusively in electronic form, and a central bank issued digital currency, unlike Bitcoin, which isn't controlled by a single entity, would be issued and overseen by a central bank. One of the biggest challenges would be figuring out how to take existing currency, loonies and bills, and convert it into a purely digital form. Cash use has decreased dramatically during the pandemic for health and practical reasons. More than 80% of central banks around the world are researching how to leverage this technology, including the Bank of Canada, which has been studying digital currencies for 7 years. But China is the only major economy that started real-life trials. This month, it's giving out more than $7.7 million worth of digital yuan as part of a pilot project. Observers say it's preparing a national launch, a move to lower transaction costs, spur economic growth, and with an eye to giving the U.S. a run for its money as the world's dominant currency.
It's very important, given the pace of progress that's happening in China, that countries like Canada and the US stop studying and start doing. I think that there are benefits to central bank digital currencies if done correctly.
In an email to Global News, the Bank of Canada highlighted recent remarks by Governor Tiff Macklem, who said because of COVID-19, the case for digital currency becomes more compelling. The pandemic-induced economic crisis highlights the case for a central bank-issued digital currency, which could be used to deliver targeted stimulus.
You could respond more quickly to crises. You could also get money into the economy more quickly in times of big crises, like, say, the COVID pandemic. You need to put $1,000 in everybody's bank account every couple of weeks.
But observers warn privacy issues would need to be weighed carefully. The Bank of Canada says it needs more time to examine the pros and cons of launching a digital currency, adopting a wait-and-see approach like the U.S., Japan, and France.
We have very high standards in terms of the acceptable level of privacy and resilience and convenience that we would attach to a digital currency if we were to launch one.
And Gaviola, Global News, Toronto.